Hello and welcome back to my craft room, and probably my most exciting unboxing ever, at least most exciting for me. So I've been bursting this, but I wanted to wait till this arrived before I mentioned it because I couldn't quite believe it. A few weeks back I entered a prize draw that Scrawlr box were running. I think it started in August. So the August Scrawlr box had Sennelier oil pastels, which I'd never used before but instantly fell in love with. Went and treated myself to a couple more colours and thought just add one or two every month until I've built up a bit of a collection. They're just so beautiful to use, but they're really pricey. Well, they cost me $2.45 each, but they wear down quite quickly. Anyway, so this prize draw, I think the second prize was the August box. The first prize was the full set of 120 Sennelier oil pastel colours in a wooden box, and the original artwork that was featured in the August box. Well, I figured, you've got to be in it to win it. And at the time, my friends and I were saying, well, we've entered the draw. Wouldn't it be amazing if, wouldn't it be lovely if someone we know won? Wouldn't it be lovely if it was one of us? Well, guess what? It was me. I was so excited. It makes me almost tearing up just thinking about it. I would never, ever, ever have that full set. I think the recommended retail price is like 300 quid or something. And when they messaged me on Instagram, a cat at Scrawlr box messaged me on Instagram to let me know that I'd won. I had to go back to her again and say, we're not talking about that mahoosive great set of Sennelier oil pastels, are we? Hardly daring to believe it. She came back and said, yes, we are. So I've been on tenterhooks ever since, and this morning it's arrived. The postman, I saw the postman's van. I knew it was on the way because I knew they sent it by recorded delivery. So I saw the post van arriving and I was like waiting behind the door for him to knock. Scared the life out of him. So here is the box. I'm so excited. I'm so grateful. I feel so lucky. I'm having a bit of a lucky streak at the moment, actually. I can't wait to get in there. But I'm going to keep myself and you on tenterhooks a little bit longer because at the same time another box arrived. I haven't ordered anything. This was also, it says tracked delivery. I don't recognise the name of the sender. I can't remember ordering anything. Intriguing. Because, sometimes you order something, it takes a long time to come and you've just forgotten. But if it's tracked delivery, it can't have taken that long to come. So you think I remember having ordered something. Oh, now I remember. When on earth did they bother to send that track and all this packaging? I believe this is supposed to be recyclable. Okay, maybe I'll keep it for sending away the prizes. I've got a lot of prizes to send off after Saturday's party. Remember the 5th of November? Now this, it's one of these. Prices candles. I think it's called Open Window. It's one of the nicest room fragrances I've ever had, and cheaper than a lot of them are. I think my son got me that one and he paid something like $12.50 for it. I scoured around on Amazon and managed to get this one for $8.49, but I thought, I wonder if it is the same thing. I better just get one. Well, now I'm going to go back and get some more. Anyway, you don't need to look at that. That mystery solved. I'm just very surprised for the price of it. They bothered to send it recorded delivery. Okay, so let's get to the exciting part. Oh, now it's got my address all over the front. Don't want to damage anything. I can't believe you get the original artwork as well. It's huge. I suppose it would be. It's 120 Sennelier oil pastels. Oh my god. I can't tell you. I cried. I actually cried. I was so excited. I cry when I'm angry. I cry when I'm sad. I cry if I'm excited. I think I seem to remember from reading it in medical notes, they call it emotional incontinence. Come in. Right, let's go to the desk. I can't. Oh, I can't tell you how excited I am. Original artwork. Oh my god. Oh. What a lucky girl I am. I was made up when I reached 1,000 subscribers on YouTube, and then it was really exciting when Scrawlr Box offered to donate a random Scrawlr box for my giveaway on Saturday for the Arty Farty Party to celebrate. And then what else happened? I've just had a run of good luck, I feel. Oh yeah, and then mine and Johnny's work was featured in the zine last month. And winning this, I don't know, I just feel like I'm having a real run of good luck at the moment, and I have been feeling a little bit, things are a bit of a struggle one way or another, and sometimes you just seem to get a stroke of good luck just when you need it to lift your spirits, don't you? I can't get in. Okay, I might keep this for sending off the prizes on after the party on Saturday. If you're watching this and you don't know already, I've been banging on about it, so I'm sure you probably do. Don't forget, on Saturday, this Saturday coming, the 5th of November, 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. UK time, it's my Arty Farty Party live stream here on YouTube. Please come and join us if you can. We'll be having lots of guest spots, so there'll be lots of gossip. We'll be doing a doodle along. Bring your favourite doodling supplies. Even if you've only got a biro in the back of an envelope, I keep saying you can still join in. But bring whatever your favourite doodling supplies are. Be lovely if you shared what you're doing, what you're creating on the Arty Farty Annie Facebook group. You can always do that. I love seeing what people are creating. Oh, I just realised the state of my nails. That's beetroot. I've been pickling beetroot, and of course, and lots of goodies to give away as well. So you can enter. It's not too late. You can still enter the prize draw to win that Scrawlr box. If you go to the Facebook Arty Farty Annie Facebook page, it's pinned at the top. The post you need to go to is pinned at the top. You just have to comment "pick me," and then if you go to my Instagram profile, you can also find a post there. It's the star prize draw post you need to go to and comment "pick me" on there. I will leave links to all the stuff about the party and the draw and everything. You've got until 8 o'clock Saturday morning to enter that one, and the other ones you'll need to be here watching during the live stream, and the winners will be picked randomly. But there's some lovely prizes and some silly ones as well. Oh, I'll keep this this foam board stuff is really useful for making miniatures and stuff, so I will keep that. I'm so excited to see this in real life. Can't believe you get the original artwork. I have followed, now I've forgotten what the lady's called. I'll leave a link to the artist as well. I have followed her on Instagram, and she does some amazing work. Julie, that's it, Julie Avisar. It's a nice card too, isn't it? Beautiful. Her work is really beautiful. I'm afraid of damaging something. I'll go in. It's another layer of card. I will have to get a nice frame for it. I'm just going to tear this off because I'm losing patience now. I don't want to. I'm just so afraid of damaging the actual piece, which would be a shame. It's like pass the parcel. You know what's inside though. Wow. I want to touch it now. It feels like it's still slightly sticky. Isn't it beautiful? I can tell you it is. Well, it was a good. You get a good photo. You get a good art print in the boxes. You always get a print of. So like the most recent one is this one. So it's a nice quality art print that you get, but in real life it's just so much more, I don't know, vibrant. You can see the texture more. You can see where she's scratched into the layer beneath. to give those kind of that feel of the bare trees against all this sort of lush green. Oh, it's so lovely to have. I feel quite teary. It's so lovely to. I feel really, really. Maybe I can message Julie on Instagram and tell her thank you. Actually, let's put it back inside there for now, so nothing happens to it. Should we go in? Should we go in here? It's massive, isn't it? It's absolutely huge. I'm speechless. Wow. I'll tell you what, I'm going to have to put this up a bit so that you can see, because it's so big. Oh, what a beautiful box. And it's got, I don't know if you can see it, Sennelier kind of embossed in gold on it. How many people get to own all 120 colours? Apparently, I'm putting off the moment again. Apparently, they were first created for Picasso in Paris, by Sennelier in Paris, and he was offered a choice of 60 colours, I think, and he chose 50. And I remember saying, you know, when we got our Scrawlr box with, I think we had 6 in there, colours. I remember saying at the time, oh, I'd love to have those 50 colours that Picasso originally had. Imagine what you could do with that. Oh, never dreaming. Sorry, I'm going on too much, aren't I? I'm just enjoying the moment. Okay. It's gonna knock my camera out. Here's all their sort of info leaflet. Oh, there's all the colours. Oh my god. A little sort of information about what they do. We'll look at that later. And now the moment has arrived. I'm gonna have to. I wonder if I'd be better doing it this way. Well, there's a lovely smell of wood. Okay, that's the best I'm going to do, I think. Here we go, here we go. Oh. Oh. I'm lost for words. That doesn't happen often. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at them. You've got the whole rainbow of colours. Number 1. Yeah, we just got extra white ones, so that is good, isn't it? Because you do use the white a lot. Yeah, they all say number 1. There's the white and the grey, and there's more shades of grey and black there. And then there's some metallic ones there, look. Let me have a look at the colours. Oh, there's a transparent medium. Which one is that? I did buy myself a blender one. I suppose that's what that is. Wow. I can't. I'm beyond words. I can't. Thank you so much, Scrawlr and Sennelier and Julie Avisar. I will make really, really good use of them. I will enjoy having that beautiful piece of art in my room here for inspiration, and thank you. I just feel so, yeah, so lucky. Just goes to show you've got to be in it to win it. It's always worth entering these things, isn't it? Because someone's got to win. Okay, I will stop going on about how lucky I am now. Just sniff it again. Oh, it's a lovely mixture of the smell of oil pastels with the smell of new wood. Okay, thank you very much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed me enjoying that. If I don't see you before, please try and join me on Saturday for the Arty Farty Party. I will leave the links to everything you need below. I will also leave a link to Scrawlr and Julie Avisar as well. Okay, that's it. That's all for me. I'm going to go and play now. Actually, I've got a couple of other things I've got to finish up before I can play with these. But yeah, before the day is out, I'll be trying these out. Thanks very much again. I will see you really soon.